Welcome to Vidyarambha Academy. Now we are going to understand the use of do, does, did to make a negative sentence or a question. That is, as one helping verb, how do we use do, does and did? That is important because when any command order or any imperative sentence which is affirmative and simple present tense as well as simple past tense is there, in affirmative sentence there is no helping verb. All remaining other tenses we find at least one helping verb, but here in these two tenses we can't find any helping verb in affirmative sentence. But normally what happens, we need one helping verb to create a negative sentence or a question. If we put not after that helping verb, it becomes a negative sentence. If we lift that helping verb in the beginning place, that becomes a verbal question or why-in question. That's why it is important to understand when order is there. Take a pen. We need do to make it a negative form. Means do not take a pen or don't take a pen. So this becomes use of do to make a negative, and here it is a contraction. Now next is simple present tense. In this two categories are there: the subject I, you and plural subject. I single, you single and plural subject. Then we have to use first form of the main verb. So here take we are using. And when the subject is third person singular, means one except I and you. One except I and you means third person singular, that is the subject. Then we need takes fifth form of the verb. Now see here what happens. I take a pen. I do not take a pen. We called a guest here, that is do, to keep not after it. Or shorten it by I don't take a pen. Now if I want to make a question, I need the helping verb to take in the beginning place. That's why do I take a pen? This way the verbal question we create. Now if the subject is third person singular, now it is Sejal. Sejal takes a pen. Sejal does not take a pen. Here fifth form was there, so does came because subject is third person singular and tense is simple present tense. So we created here does as a guest helping verb, and take after not means here it is Sejal does not take a pen. Sejal doesn't take a pen, shortened. And if we want to make a question, take does in the beginning and create the sentence, does Sejal take a pen? This is again the verbal question. Now next is simple past tense. In simple past tense we need second form of the main verb, and subject can be any subject, no matter it is singular or plural, no matter it is third person, first person, second person. So that's why here it is easy. Always we are taking second form of the verb, means take, took, taken. Took is used here, second form. So Sejal took a pen. Now if we want to make it's a negative sentence, then Sejal did not take a pen. Totally meaning is opposite to first one. So Sejal did not take a pen, or shortened Sejal didn't take a pen. Sejal didn't take a pen. So it's okay. Now suppose we want to make a verbal question or why-in question, then what we are doing? We are taking did in the beginning. Did Sejal take a pen? And here remember that whenever you use do, does and did as a guest helping verb. In this way, in these two tenses, after use of did, here does and here do, we need first form of original verb, main verb. So main action will come in first form here after use of do, does, did. Something to remember. Okay. I thank you very much. You saw this video.